Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Girls Room. As you can see, I'm in my room. I will be showing you my creation of Play-Doh and my failed Tempo Mickey slide. Let's get on with the video. Anybody want an Oreo? Nope, not an Oreo. So, as you can see, this is my Play-Doh I made. I was trying to make slime, but it came out as Play-Doh. So let me tell you what I think I did wrong. So, and then I guess you can make Play-Doh instead. Okay. Let me tell you. So what I did was I had some shampoo. Took some my grandma's shampoo. Nobody knows how much I gave. Just kidding. I took a little bit, tiny bit. Then add some salt and slowly mix it. Add salt, slowly mix it. Then I mixed it for a while. I put it in the freezer. It froze. And my spoon that I used to mix it with, I had to get another spoon because it was stuck in what I thought was going to be slime, which came out of Play-Doh. And so then I started breaking it. I started hitting it in the cup. I had some liquid. I poured it in, and that frozen liquid, it was like, technically it was not liquid. It was frozen. Then I mixed salt. I mixed it, and then once it became like a doughy texture, I put it in my hand. I rolled it. I put some salt. Roll salt. And also, if you don't want to use salt, you can use baby powder. Baby powder. Right? In the comments below, is it called baby powder or diaper powder? What is it called? That was called, but whatever that powder thing is called, put that with the shampoo. You could do that too. I feel like that way, that method works better. But I tried the salt method, sort of. Then I tried a tiny bit of powder, and became the dough that you see now. So I mixed it in my hands for a while. Once it became a texture where it was not too sticky and not too hard. Then I compared it to Play-Doh. Then I compared it to Play-Doh, and I thought that was the right texture. So if you want it more harder, more softer, it's depending on how you like it. I hope you liked today's video. See you later. Tell me in the comments below what should I call my fans? Which I have 1 subscriber. So far. So I would like everybody, please mean a lot to me if you at least can give it to 100 subscribers. At least 10. 100. Would love if you do 100, but at least 10, please. Chipmunk. #chipmunk. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.